Next, we head to Ionia, Michigan, for the sentencing of Lisa Thrush. She's pled guilty to a moving violation causing death and another causing serious bodily impairment. The accident occurred when Thrush blindly pulled into an intersection directly in the path of an oncoming semi-truck. The semi tried to avoid the collision, and in doing so hit a second vehicle, instantly killing the driver, 42-year-old father and husband, Tony Nunez. While the semi-driver was unhurt, Thrush suffered serious injuries. On the day of the accident, Thrush was sober, and afterwards she took full responsibility for the crash.
I just want to say how sorry I am. I wish I could change things, but I can't.
Before the judge makes his decision, Nunez's wife addresses the court.
He was not only my husband, but he was my best friend. He was my caretaker.
She then turns to speak directly to the defendant.
I forgive you. I forgive you. We know that you did not intend for any of this to happen.
Nunez's compassion goes beyond words. The judge ultimately shows some leniency and sentences Thrush to 180 days in jail and 2 years probation.